Good afternoon, I am Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of Chow. Chow joined our funded trader program on the 9th of October and hit his first 10% target on the 1st of December. Very well done, congratulations. Let's have a look at the equity line to see how the journey with us has been so far. So we can see a quite steady start. He was up almost 3% on his account. Then something happened just a few days after it joined. He went back to, we can consider that as the initial account balance. We can see how he held the balance. We can see up to the 6th of November. And then from this point onwards, it was just one way up towards his first 10% target. Although we can see few ups and downs on his journey with us. Okay. From the statistics, we can see an average daily return of 0.13%, a monthly return of 3.78%, with a drawdown floating of 4.40%, which is quite good actually. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So, Chow only took 87 trades with a profitability rate of 41%. It means that he lost more than half of the trades he took. But if we have a look at the average win and the average loss, we can see how he managed to be profitable, because his average win is 38 pips, while his average loss is 28 pips. So on average, he was winning at least 10 pips more than the one he was losing. And if we have also a look at the average win and the average loss from dollar point of view, we can see how the average win was $130, while the average loss was just $75. But let's have a look also at the best trade and the worst trade. So the best trade was on the 9th of November and he gained $874. I believe it was the best trade also in terms of pips, because we can see the same date here where he gained 183 pips. While on the other side, worst trade in terms of dollars, we have the 16th of October. He lost $292. While on the 4th of November, in terms of pips, he lost 132 pips. Let's have a look at the summary, and we can see how the majority of his positions were on the pound yen. He took 37 trades on this pair. Well, that's interesting. He lost 80 pips overall on this position, but he still gained $618. Okay, we can also see some good results here on the 13 trades he took on the euro yen. He gained 221 pips, resulting in a winning of $529. So from the other side, we can see how he lost 17 position on the pound New Zealand, resulting in a loss of $292. Okay, let's have a look at the history to just check the lot size that he was using. So we can see in the beginning, it was quite, 0.5 was his first trade, and it was a very good trade for him. It was a profitable one. Then he started reducing that bit, 0.3, 0.10, 0.25, and then we are back on 0.5. Then it was choosing different lot size for different positions. In fact, we can see here also 0.05, 0.1. So it was not going full lot on all of his trades and all of his positions. And yes, here on the 1st of December, we can see when he hit his first 10% target, and we withdraw from him the profits, and is now trading his second account with us. He's managing a $30,000 account. Okay, Chow, very well done, very good. And we look forward to do the second review for your account.